Love holds me with sweet, joyful pleasure, for within my heart I carry the key to find joy, so that neither heat nor cold nor harsh weather nor mild can harm me at all. So well do things go for me and nicely, that everything is pleasing to me, and I fear no enemies. So rich am I in joy and in love, in which I take delight. For such riches sustain me, and no other do I hold to in anything. For such riches please me, when I often think of the treasure of which I hold the key. In such pleasure, though I stay completely at ease, that I feel nothing but joy within my heart. So sweetly do things go for me, and jealous hostile men cannot make hindrance for me in enjoying the honor in which I take delight. For I have chosen by my faith the best of the best and of good. I know the whole straight path of love perfectly, just like him who holds the key to love. Therefore I choose you, lady, completely gentle, as the best and as the most pleasing. For there is no disputing it, nor ever did false words of man, muddied and tricky, make me afraid for a single day. Therefore I take delight in everything, for false liars profit nothing for themselves, nor do they harm me. For such riches please me, when I often think of the treasure of which I hold the key. Your word stands secure, for no thief can make a false key to it. And things go very well and gently for me, because you guard it with measure and with sense. So well that no crime of cruel beggars takes hold there, nor does any scheming of slanderers take away my joy, nor the honored happiness that sustains me. Lay in your mercy. Well, I speak true praise to you fittingly, pleasing lady, for you hold the key to honored fine, dear worth with a gentle, noble shore, secure manner. Therefore those who know it, of whom I am a friend, say that you are shelter of true worth. And I take my joy, because they say whoever hears you or sees you, that no more and no less is fitting for you. Lord and lady, I have joy and delight, so it'll because things go so well for me, that I hold no envy toward you.